I think at the end it's time to take action. This is the big headline of COP25, and we are here really to make this action happening. So we brought our new digital innovation to Madrid and telling as well, okay, look, we are not just talking about things, we are really making things happening. And our new business to government solution, which is called Aristoteles Sky, the energy cloud for nations, has been launched today. So I think it's a great day for us. We're showing, okay, how we are supporting in the future governments to put the energy transition ahead, or speeding up, but also using, technology. Here I'm talking about Internet of Things, data and artificial intelligence, using the things to mitigate the transition risk, which currently most of the governments are really fearing, how we can really mitigate this transition risk. And this is exactly what we are going to do with Aristoteles Sky to minimize this transition risk. I think it's key, and this is our key setup, and therefore we are also telling, okay, let's use the technology what we already have invented. And I think we already have a status where we can really start the things and push the things ahead. And therefore we're saying, okay, let's start the ball rolling. And we have to see the way forward, and we have to adjust permanently, as we all know, agile way to adjust the things for the future. But we have to start once, and technology, I'm here definitely talking about the artificial intelligence, but as intelligence defined as machine learning, deep learning, are for us the key elements, and we see as the key elements for the future. But to run these models, we need data. And how we're getting the data means perfectly, we need to have the Internet of Things approach by connecting, this is where we come from, by how to minimize this transition risk, taking all the supply chain of energy into the cloud and using then this cloud data to make all this analytics and artificial intelligence for the future. I think at the end is key. We are currently, as well today, when we discussed it on the panel at the end, said, okay, there is private capital on the market ready to be invested, but they are facing to find assets to invest. And I think the issue here is really that at the end we have to prepare the other way around. So we have to change our thinking. It's not just, okay, putting somewhere the capital. No, we have to push the public sector ahead. That means we have the government to set the boundaries, to make the corridors for the future clear, to where we should do in these investments. And I think when we have these corridors clear defined by governments, by using technology, and this is clear, the capital automatically is following, because then we know perfectly where we have to build assets, where we have to operate assets in countries. And this is essentially why the public and the private has to work together. But at the first instance, we need definitely on a current level where we are, we need to have the governments to push the things ahead. And therefore we are here as well at the COP to telling all the delegates here from the political level, gentlemen, let's start it with the solutions there really to make this transition happening. I think this is a perfect setup, especially for us today. I mean, we are bringing innovation, and the Sustainable Innovation Forum is definitely built to have this, or to make this happening. So we are super happy to be here and using this forum to accelerate, of course, our ideas. And therefore, it's a perfect fit to us for the future and make this a successful business at the end, of course, as we are going for business and for innovation.